Today in this video we are going to talk about the self concept and manifestation. My name is Ekam and I welcome each one of you in this channel Decode Your Destiny, where we talk about spirituality, manifestation and so many other things which is going to transform your life. Okay, so what is self concept? Your belief about yourself and your capabilities. That's it. What you believe about yourself, what you believe about your capabilities. That's it, nothing else. So, how self concept shapes your reality? Positive self concept attract success and abundance. Negative creates resistance, blockages. You already know it by now. You have been a good student, I will say, or a good learner, I will say, that you're learning every day and it is improving your life. So, how you can improve your self concept? You can use affirmations, you can do visualization, you can say to yourself, I am worthy of all good things to happen to me, or I am worthy of all the good things. Keep on saying, I am worthy of all the good things, I am worthy of all the good things. Continuously say this thing till the time you feel motivated from within, till the time you see that fire coming out from within, that you want to now manifest, now change your life, now want to become the best version of yourself. Till then you can just continue this thing. Surround yourself with positive people who uplift your mood, who brings you more closer to the goals, dreams, desires, and wishes in your life. Practice self care and self love, it's highly important. Okay? Then, journal, write down, scripting. Do scripting about your current self concept and write down how you want to see yourself. Write one positive affirmation about themselves. You can do, like, you can write down one positive affirmation about yourself and repeat it again and again. Write down in the comments one thing good about yourself, continue repeating it. So this is something which you can do in order to improve this particular thing. So basically I will say it's very simple. What you believe you can do, it's that simple. What do you think about yourself when no one is around you? What are you thinking about yourself? Do you think yourself a loser, a winner, a good person, bad person, negative person, positive person? What kind of thoughts you're having when no one is around you? That is the self concept. What are you actually thinking about yourself? Forget everyone and everything which is happening in your life. Just close your eyes and ask yourself, what do you think about yourself? What is the thing which you're thinking about yourself? Who you are? When you get this answer, if it is positive, thumbs up. But if it is negative, change it. You have to change it. There is no other option. Okay? This is self-concept and this is law of attraction. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much for subscribing. Om Namah Parvati Pate Har Har Mahadev.